Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please hello, my name is Muhammad Arif Ardiansa. Student ID number 22430x090, rolling stock engineering for the class.
My name is Amalia De Nurrahma with NIM 224308075.
Group 5 will explain the simulation of DC motor speed control using input active height indirect, when the voltage source goes to the switch, then to the optocoupler, then to the microcontroller input pin. This is a simulation circuit of DC motor control input active height indirect. Using Proteus software, the tools used are optocoupler, switch, avometer, resistor, battery, LED blue, transistor, relay, DC motor, and Arduino Uno. And this is a Arduino Uno program for simulation DC motor speed control with input active height indirect, where this section is used to define the pin name. For example, define pin 112. So pin 12 name is pin 1, and so on. Then in point setup, this is used to define input or output pin. For example, pin mode pin 1 output. So pin 1 or pin 12 is output, and so on. Then in point loop, this is a program mesh. Then if the output 0 and 1 are low or both switches are open, then the circuit is dead. The program means that if 0 is high and 1 is low, on the switch is on and the CV or CCV switch is off, then the DC motor will rotate counterclockwise. Then this program mesh. Then if 0 is high and 1 is high, on the switch is on and the CV or CCV switch is on, then the DC motor will rotate clockwise. Then this program mesh if A0 is low and 1 is high, or the switch is off and the CV or CCV switch is on, then circuit is dead.
Before it, we coding in Arduino Uno, and if done the coding done, we click verify and copy the output. So go to Proteus. This is a circuit Proteus. And step 1, we add the word output by Arduino in there. And click OK. Nah, after that, uh, we run the programs. It can be seen in this section that the 24-volt battery will flow toward the switch. When the switch is pressed, the voltage will enter the optocoupler. At point I will enter the LED and flow toward a 10 kilo ohm resistor and ground. It can be seen that when the switch is off, the voltage is 0.63, while when the condition is on, the voltage will be 24 volts. Uh, the volt the voltage will be 24 volt. The section 5 volt power will enter point C or collection and go to the point E or emitter. Then there is a voltage that goes to a 1 kilo ohm resistor and is a ground. Some go to pin A0. Since when the switch is off, the voltage is 0, while when the condition is on, the voltage will be close to 5 volts. The voltage will be close to 5 volts. Likewise, on the switch to adjust the direction of CW or CCW. And we go to the diagram. This is a chart diagram. Uh, Red is low and green is high. If input or saklar 1 is low and input 2 is low, so output CW and CCW will low. And if saklar 2 and saklar if saklar 1 low and saklar 2 red, output CW will low and CCW will high. If saklar 1 high and saklar 2 high, output CW will high and CCW will low. And less, saklar 1 is low and saklar 2 is high. And then the output is CW will low and CCW will low. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.